Hi guys, welcome to Avarese's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare this breakfast charcuterie board. So the first thing we're going to make is a simple chakalaka. This is a Southern African relish made using baked beans and vegetables. So here I'm using one medium-sized onion and adding that to my frying pan. We're going to go ahead and fry this off for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we're going to follow that up with 1 teaspoon of curry powder. Allow the curry powder to cook for about a minute or two, being very careful not to burn the spice. Then go ahead and add 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I'm using this specifically because I would like my chakalaka to have a nice and thick consistency. However, you can use fresh tomatoes if you have those. Season with some salt and add a teaspoon of sugar just to remove the zing from the tomato. Now go ahead and add your diced peppers and the grated carrots and allow that to cook for a minute or two. Now you're going to add 1 can of your favorite baked beans to your pot and allow this to simmer on a low to medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, we are going to prepare the sausages. You can use any sausage of your choice. I opted for these simple pork sausages. I'm going to go ahead and fry these off and cook them according to packet instructions and set them aside. Now we're going to prepare the bacon. I'm using smoked streaky bacon. Personally, I don't like crunchy bacon. I like it somewhere in between, but you can cook it to your preference. Next, we're going to prepare the eggs. Go ahead and crack 6 eggs into your bowl, season with some salt and add a tablespoon of double cream and whisk that up until it's nicely combined. Now add a knob of butter to your pan and allow this to melt on a low heat. Add your eggs and cook them until they are done to your preference. Wash and prepare all the fruit that you're going to be using. I chose to use oranges, grapes, figs and strawberries. Now it's time to assemble our beautiful breakfast charcuterie board. I've added some croissants, some sliced oranges, followed by some figs, sliced strawberries and a bunch of grapes. Now we're going to place our bowl of eggs, our cooked sausages and our bowl of chakalaka. Now we're going to add some more fresh fruit, some oranges, sliced strawberries. You can mix that up with some whole strawberries too, bunch of grapes and figs. Now we're going to go ahead and place our bacon, and then to complete the board we'll add some cinnamon swirls. And that completes our beautiful breakfast charcuterie board. I enjoyed this with a hot cup of milky rooibos tea. For more delicious recipes, please follow Avarese's Kitchen.